Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing our very fun, very loved, very wonderful Stitch Fix unboxing. So, as you guys know, I do these pretty frequently on my channel. This is my monthly Stitch Fix unboxing for the month of May. I hope you guys enjoy seeing these from me. I know I love to do them for you guys, so let me know as always in the comments down below if these are things you enjoy seeing from me, because I'll keep doing them. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive on into the fun items I got in this month's box. Alright, so the first thing in the box for this month is a pair of yoga pants, which are very soft. And these are the Beyond Yoga at Your Leisure high-waisted midi legging in black size small. Super cute, very basic, but also has this like really cute like crisscross detail in the front, so it kind of like has one panel that overlaps to kind of create that V shape in the front, which looks super cute. Again, these are so incredibly soft and comfortable, I can't even begin to tell you. But yeah, it has a little lotus flower on the back, looks super cute and comfy, and as always I will be doing a try on portion at the end of this video so you guys can see what everything looks like on my body. Next, we have a pair of jeans, pretty typically standard for most Stitch Fix boxes, and these are just some light wash blue, I'm stuck, there we go, and these are just some light wash blue standard skinny jeans, pretty typical. I know, I'm a millennial, I wear skinny jeans still, don't come for me. I have a middle part, don't come for me. Okay, but these are the cut from the cloth Brody skinny high-rise distressed jeans in indigo size 0. So they seem pretty stretchy, pretty straightforward, just standard skinny jean. Not too distressed, like there's a little bit in the pocket right there, but yeah, overall we'll try them on, see how they look. Next, we have a very cute purple, which I don't wear a lot of purple, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about this, but this is a kind of basic square cut, satiny, silky type of material. This is the Camuto Kathya textured blouse in burgundy size small. Again, we've talked about this before on my channel. I feel like shirts like this make me look very square and very matronly depending on how you wear them. So I'll give it a try. You guys will obviously have to let me know down in the comments below what you think of something like this, because I'm not sure. Okay, and the last two things we got in this box, it looks like are actually the same thing, just in two different colors. So those are sports bras, and we have it in this cute like light gray color, as well as this blush pink color. So these are actually the exact same style of yoga sports bra, and these are, let's see, the Velour Elevation Bra in salmon size small, and the Elevation Bra in light gray size small. So literally the exact same piece in two different colors, which is kind of interesting. I really wish they would have sent something different rather than two of the same exact things just in different colors. To be honest, I tend more towards the light gray than the salmon. Just with my coloring, I don't think this shade of pink is quite so flattering on me, but y'all, as always, will have to let me know down in the comments below. Alright friends, so that is everything I got in this month's box. Now let's go ahead and jump into the try-on portion of this video. Alright friends, so that is everything that I got in this month's Stitch Fix unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know down below in the comments, of course, what was your favorite item and which ones I should keep versus what I should send back. I love to hear your guys' feedback and opinions. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to see more of my face. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!